Okay, so we have a question in chemistry. A children's pain relief elixir contains 80 milligrams acetaminophen per zero point 0.5 teaspoons. So per every 0.5 teaspoon, there is 80 milligram of fat. So the dosage recommended for a child who weighs between 24 and 35 pounds is 1.5 teaspoons. So what is the range of acetaminophen dosages expressed in milligram? So what is acetaminophen per kilogram body weight for children who weigh between 24 and 35 pounds? So it's kind of a range. Okay, so you're trying to find the range 24 pounds all the way up to 35 pounds. So how do you get to answer it? It's supposed to be how much is going to be how much of the dose of acetaminophen per kilogram body. Okay, so what are they saying? So we are saying, according to the question, they say there is 80 milligram per 0.5 teaspoon. That's what we've been taught. Okay, so we'll say if per 0.5 teaspoons, okay, per 0.5 teaspoon, they're saying there's 80 milligram of acetaminophen. How about per 1.5 teaspoons, which is the recommended dosage for between 24 and 35 pounds? So say 1.5. Okay. So we need to find the value of x. How do we find the value of x? We'll cross and multiply. So 80 by 1.5, then divided by 0.5. So we have 24. So per every 1.5 teaspoons, there will be okay. I'll do that again. 80 multiplied by 1.5, then divided by 0.5. So per every 1.5 teaspoons, there will be 240 milligrams of acetaminophen. Okay, so we've already found the how much of the acetaminophen is going to be there. But again, according to the question, what are they saying? They are saying that we are supposed to express it in acetaminophen per kilogram of the body. So we need to convert the pounds to kilograms. So we also need to know that 1 pound is equal to 0.454 kilogram. Okay. So meaning that for you to convert the 24 pounds, what are you supposed to do? You multiply, right? So multiply the 24 pounds by 0.454. So 24 multiplied by 0.454. It becomes, so that's 10. That's equivalent to 10.896 kilogram. Then on the other hand, the 35 again multiplied by 0.454, it's 15.89. Okay, so we have the kilogram of bodies. Okay, so now how do we express it according to the way the question wants us to do? Okay, so we've already determined that, of course, we are told between 24 and 35 pounds, the dosage recommended is 1.5 teaspoons. And on this, from the start of the question, we are told per every 0.5 of a teaspoon, there is 80 milligram of acetaminophen. So how about 1.5? It's 240 if we use that ratio. But then again, the question wants us to express it in milligram of acetaminophen per kilogram of the body. So of course we know that between 24 and 35 pounds, what we are working with, the dosage is the same. Okay, the dosage is the same. So how are we going to express it? So the milligram of acetaminophen is, we've determined to be 240. So the lower part is going to be 240 milligrams divided by 10.896. 0.896 because it says milligram acetaminophen per kilogram of the body. So even the other side it will be the same, 240 milligrams divided by 15.89 kilogram. So get your calculator and plug in the figures there. So we have 240 divided by 10.896. We have 22.03 milligrams per kg all the way up to 240 divided by 15.89. That gives us 15. So this is actually supposed to be the other way around, where you start with the lower one going to the upper one. Okay, so what you've come up with is a range, and that's the way you go about it. That's the way you answer the question. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.